Hello everyone, welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to go over so many things with you guys, so please be patient with me. This is going to be a lengthy video. I am going to go over my wish list, my LV pre-orders, and 2021 Christmas animations. So before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Do not forget to visit me on Instagram, Marquita LV Luxury. You can also email me if you have a special request. As long as I have the handbag in my inventory, I will be sure to try to get a video up for you. Email me, marquitalvluxury@gmail.com. Now that we got all of that out the way, you guys know what to do. Go grab some wine, grab some tea, and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. The first thing that I want to discuss is the 2021 Christmas animations. I am not here to stop you from ordering because I do have my eye on a few of the mini pochettes, but I do want to discuss some things before you guys go out and purchase. As you guys know, this is something that you have to have an SA or a CA to order. I believe they're not going to be on the website, but if they are going to be on the website, they are going to be very, very, very hard to purchase. Pre-orders are already open. My CA has already sent me a text message with most of the Christmas animations and the price, but I want to point out, I have never been a big collector of the Christmas animations. I actually started last year, and I just kind of want to go over a few things with you guys. I am a big mini pochette collector. I love these items, but as stated, this was my first Christmas animation. I did purchase this last year, and of course I used her one time in December. That's it. So I'm kind of giving you a little hint, guys. I did use it one time. As stated, here is the one mini pochette that I ordered. I also ordered this beautiful, beautiful key charm here. Beautiful bag charm. And on the back, of course, my favorite color, pink. And inside is pink as well. And so that was a bonus for me. And the beautiful passport holder here. And of course, as you can see, it is pink inside, never used, brand new. So, but with this, you can use this as a wallet as well. Passport here, and it does have card slots here. Very roomy, lot of space. Okay, so this is the passport holder, the bag charm, and the mini pochette that I ordered in DAMIER bean. My thing is, guys, I've never used these items, but I am a big mini pochette collector. My thing is, if you are wanting to purchase, just know the mini pochettes are $520 US. I am going to show you a few that my CA sent me. It's Victorine wallets, bandos are coming out, just a lot of beautiful Christmas animations. But again, my eye is only on the DAMIER AZUR. I love this one. And also, I am interested in the Victorine wallet here, only because I love the reverse on the go tote MM that the PANDA is holding. But again, be careful because you can save this money to purchase other items. That's all I'm going to say. If you are purchasing only because you are a collector, hey, go ahead. If you are purchasing because it is cute and you are not going to wear these items, I would say save your money, because LV is coming out with so many beautiful items. And like I said, I'm only torn because I am a mini pochette collector, and my daughter did see it and she says that she does want it. She is starting to collect and to wear smaller bags. So it might be something that I get for her for Christmas, and I'll probably steal it later if I want. But again, just be careful. I am going to put some of the items in the description box with the price. Again, you have to have an SA or a CA to order these items. The bag tag, I did wear a couple of times on the mini sack plaid here. Very, very cute on, as you can see. As stated, it's totally up to you. I just wanted to bring that to your attention because they are very cute items, very cute collectible items. I did tell myself that I wanted to get one in the Monogram print and the DAMIER AZUR, and I'll probably be done after that because I have my DAMIER bean. Again, I'm only putting it out there. It's totally up to you guys, okay? And the passport holder, like I said, can be used for a wallet. I would say this would be something that I would probably collect and use more, only because of the card holders inside. Okay, as stated, I am a big mini pochette collector. So here is the DAMIER bean, and I do use these. I love to match them with my bags in my collection. Of course, as you can see, I do have an extender on here. This is the Monogram print, and so I would love to have an animation on this print here. The DAMIER AZUR. And the beautiful bicolor, this beautiful one here. And this is absolutely, oh, I love this because it matches my LV marshmallow bag. I love, love, love this one, and it's my favorite color. And this one most definitely would never leave my collection. That wraps it up for the Christmas 2021 animations. If you have any questions, please, please, please leave them in the comments below. Like I said, this video is not to stop you from ordering, but just letting you know that you do have to have an SA or a CA to order. And if you are a collector, I totally understand. But if you are getting it because it's cute and you're not going to use it, save that money because LV is coming out with some beautiful items in October. And I just can't wait. Okay, so let's move on to the item that I did pre-order from LV already. And I want you guys to let me know what you think because I am torn because of the interior color. Let's get into the pre-order. Yes, I did order my very, very first Coussin PM handbag from LV. I purchased the pink, of course, because I love pink. I was not a big fan of the Coussin bag at all, the Coussin line at all, because I felt like I had toiletry 26, so I converted into my own Coussin. It was not the same, but for me, I just, like I said, I wasn't a big fan of the Coussin line. I did purchase a Coussin bag for my birthday. I've worn it once here. It is the smaller Coussin that actually can go around your waist. You can carry this in so many different ways. The main reason I purchased because I love the chain strap, and as you can see, I don't even have the chain strap attached to this bag because I wear it with everything else but this handbag. The color's very, very beautiful. I love the purple up against the pink. You know, the pink is my favorite color. Pink is my favorite color. So I had to purchase, of course. As stated, I've worn it once. I do hear pros and cons about the Coussin line. I hear about the color transfer. You have to be careful. I do love the soft material inside. Beautiful, beautiful purple color. So I am excited. So here is what I pre-ordered. But the inside is kind of turning me off. It's that cherry red. I'm not sure how that's going to go. I'm not crazy about the interior color up against this beautiful rose ballerine pink. I'm not going to know how I feel about it until it comes in. It does launch October 1st. So I already pre-ordered and the price is kind of crazy. Let me go over the Coussin PM Rose. I paid $3,842.88, and that's with tax. So the price of it is $3,550. With tax, I paid $3,842.88. The product code number was M59276. I will leave this information in the description box. You can reach out to an SACA to try to pre-order. I believe this is going to sell out very fast because of the color itself. Again, the interior color is cherry red. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm just going by a picture. So once I get it, you know your girl is going to do an unboxing. I'm going to tell you all the details, but I am excited about the chain strap. I am excited about the chain strap. I love, love, love LV chain straps. Again, this is a pre-order. Once I get it, I'm going to go into details. I have 30 days to decide if I'm going to rock the Coussin PM or if I am going to send it back. Just letting you know, but you guys know that the color most definitely caught my eye. I had to purchase. I love pink. And as you can see, this is why. I love pink. I love pink. I am so, so happy. So the Coussin PM in Rose is going to be added to my pink collection of handbags. And I cannot wait. Again, it launches October 1st. Pre-orders are open. $3,550 if you are interested. Let's move on, guys, because I have some other items that I have my eyes on. I am receiving a lot of no's about these items, but I think you guys are going to be shocked once they come in. Do not let them sell out on you guys, okay? I have my phone. I am going to go over the puffer collection, the LV puffer collection. Shout out to Foxy LV on Instagram. Just to give her credit, I am going to go through some of these items that I am so excited about. I'm reading the comments and you guys are like, no, this is the ugliest bag. This is the ugliest design. How could LV come out with something like this? What is wrong with you guys? This is awesome. I am excited. I am excited for the LV fall collection. All of these items that are coming out. Look at these items. And these boots. Come on, guys. What is wrong with you guys? I have my eye on the on-the-go tote. I am hoping it comes out in the MM size. Do you see that tan color? I'm not interested in the black. I'm not interested in the black. I want that tan puffer on-the-go tote. Again, I hope it comes out in the MM. If it comes out in the GM, I am still going to purchase. I am loving the puffy LV monogram handle as well. I am excited. I'm excited, but I am excited the most about the multi-pochette. Oh my gosh. Look at this cream and this hunter green color. You guys are going to miss out if you do not purchase. I promise you guys are. I am more excited about the puffer collection than the Coussin PM that I ordered. I cannot wait. Fall is coming and this is going to be, it's going to be nice. Again, do not miss out. The only thing that I saw that I wasn't too big on was the Speedy 25. I'm not feeling the strap. I'm not feeling the strap. Maybe if it's just the tote handle or if it came in another color, but the black in the Speedy, I'm not feeling at all. This collection is going to be hot. I can already see the coats, the jackets. I'm excited. So guys, make sure you pay attention. The puffer collection from LV is going to sell out. Do not miss out. I'm telling you guys now, do not miss out. Oh my God, that multi-pochette is amazing. The boots, amazing. I have so many outfits that is going through my hair right now. Guys, comment below. Let me know what you think. Am I going crazy? Once I purchase and I show you guys are going to be sick if you do not purchase. Pay attention to the LV puffer collection, please. The launch date, let me see if she has it on here. October 29th. So I am going to reach out to my CA to try to see if pre-orders are even open. Again, here are the pictures. If you want to see more descriptions with product code numbers, check out Foxy LV on Instagram. Just giving her a shout out. And like I said, the comments are crazy and I don't understand why. Okay, so guys, I told you about the puffer collection. I gave you all the information that I could. Do not miss out. But guess what? I had a Chanel bag in my hand to purchase and I didn't. This is the Chanel bag that I have my eye on, guys. I don't know what's going on. I am so afraid to tap in Chanel. I can go into a Dior store, Fendi, Gucci, and purchase without a problem. I feel if I purchase a Chanel bag, I am going to get bit by the Chanel bug and I'm going to forget about LV. I don't know why I'm not ready. It's not the price. I just feel like I'm going to get addicted to Chanel. I don't know. I just feel like I'm cheating on LV. Like I said, I can purchase any other luxury brand, but when it comes to Chanel, I just can't do it. I don't know why, but I want the bag. I want this bag so bad. Maybe I don't want it bad enough. I don't know. But guys, I had my hands on the bag and did not purchase. Pray for me, guys. I am going through it. But I am going to purchase a Chanel bag. I just don't know when. Maybe when I purchase the puffer collection. I don't know. Maybe I'll get the Chanel bag this weekend. But again, it's a tug of war. I just feel like if I do purchase, that's going to be it. The bag is absolutely beautiful, amazing, great quality. I'm excited. I am excited, guys. So that wraps up the video today, guys. I wanted to go over the Christmas animation. I wanted to go over my pre-order, the Coussin PM. I wanted to go over the things that I have my eye on, the puffer collection, the LV puffer collection. Guys, watch out for it. And of course, the Chanel bag. I want this bag and I'm going to get this bag. It's not going to happen again. I am going to try maybe again this weekend, walk in and just purchase the bag. I have time to send it back if I'm not feeling it, but I know I am going to fall in love. So guys, pray for me. Maybe I'll get on live just to have you guys with me to purchase, just to give me that push. I need my YouTube family. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you have questions on my outfit, guys, I did post this on LV. This chain comes from one of my bags. It does not come with the LV belt here, and I do have it hanging in the back some as well. I absolutely love. Okay, so if you do want to check out the entire outfit and what I actually wore with this outfit, what handbag, check your girl out on Instagram, marquitalvluxury. Again, you can email me if you want me to review a specific bag, or if you just have questions for me, email me, marquitalvluxury@gmail.com. As always, guys, thank you for tuning in. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Bye-bye.